Hey everybody, we're going to look today at the EC1 series chair by Nightingale. Very user-friendly controls and a very simple style, so easy to use and easy on the eyes. In fact, the simplicity of the EC1 series is really at the heart of what makes it so functional as well as comfortable in a boardroom or conference room application. You're going to see that the 1 series has a contoured back, and incorporated into that back design is your lumbar support right here to offer that support to the lumbar area of our spine as we sit. It comes with fixed or static nylon arms, meaning they don't move at all. There is no height, no width, no movement at all to the arms. That is by design. Just takes away the temptation of people to fiddle with those during a meeting and distract their attention and others' attention as well. So that is by design. Again, this is a conference chair, the EC1. We're going to get into the chair now. The mechanism on the EC1 series is a synchronous tilt swivel. So the swivel, of course, is the side-to-side motion of the chair. The synchronous tilt means as my back leans back, the bottom of the seat here drops down, and I'll show you how that works. You can see how my bottom is dropping as I'm leaning back. That allows for more even flow of my body as I sit and recline. Ultimately, what it means is my feet stay flat on the floor, which is really where great ergonomics begin. Again, comfort in a conference room setting, so my concentration can be on what's being presented. The base and casters on the 1 series are a nylon base and come standard with dual carpet casters. Your EC1 series can be upholstered in any of the fabrics or textiles offered by Nightingale, as well as any of the vinyls, including healthcare vinyl, and of course, as you see it here today, in leather. And that is the EC1 series by Nightingale.